Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to make certain contacts ring when iPhone is silent mode or when your iPhone is in focus mode. First of all, go to your iPhone settings app, and once you are in your settings app, just scroll down and tap on focus. And here I'm selecting personal, and now tap on people, and here select allow notification from, and tap on add people. And now from your contact list you can select random contacts to get ring for calls, and tap on done. And now on, whenever your iPhone is in silent mode or in focus mode, all of your incoming calls will be silent without these selected contacts. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.